Imagine waking up 30 days from now feeling stronger, more energized, and confident, all without ever stepping foot in a gym. Today, we're diving into 10 powerful exercises that require no equipment but can transform your body in just 30 days. So, are you ready to unleash your inner athlete and transform your body? Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a classic, the mighty push-up. Don't let its simplicity fool you. The push-up is a full-body movement that targets your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. If you're just starting out, begin with wall push-ups or knee push-ups. As you get stronger, gradually progress to incline push-ups and eventually, full push-ups. Push-ups not only build strength but also improve your posture and bone health. They engage your core muscles, which helps stabilize your spine and protect your lower back. So, don't underestimate the power of the push-up. Make it your mission to master this versatile exercise and watch your upper body transform. Get ready to engage those leg muscles because we're moving on to the king of lower body exercises, the squat. Squats are a fundamental movement pattern that we do every single day. To perform a proper squat, stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Keep your chest up, core engaged, and lower your hips as if you're sitting back into a chair. Make sure your knees track over your toes and go as low as you can while maintaining good form. Beginners can start with bodyweight squats, while more advanced individuals can add weight with dumbbells, barbells, or resistance bands. So, embrace the squat and unlock the power and strength in your lower body. Now let's shift our focus to the core, the powerhouse of your body with the mighty plank. The plank might look simple, but trust me, it's a challenging exercise that engages your entire core. To perform a plank, start in a push-up position, but instead of resting on your hands, lower down onto your forearms. Make sure your body forms a straight line from head to heels, with your core engaged and your hips not sagging. Hold this position for as long as you can while maintaining good form. If you're new to planks, start with shorter hold times and gradually increase the duration as you get stronger. Aim to incorporate planks into your routine regularly, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you build core strength and stability. Get ready to step up your leg game with lunges. Lunges are a fantastic exercise that targets your quads, hamstrings, and glutes while also improving your balance and coordination. To perform a lunge, stand with your feet hip-width apart and take a big step forward with your right foot. Lower your hips towards the floor until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Lunges can be done in various directions to challenge different muscle groups. Lunges are a versatile and effective exercise that will help you build strong and sculpted legs while improving your balance and coordination. Get ready for the ultimate full-body blast with burpees. Burpees might be a love-hate exercise, but there's no denying their effectiveness. To perform a burpee, start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower into a squat position and place your hands on the floor in front of you. Kick your feet back into a push-up position, perform a push-up, then quickly jump your feet back to your hands. Explosively jump up into the air, reaching your arms overhead. Burpees are a fantastic way to challenge your body, boost your cardiovascular fitness, and torch calories. Get ready to climb your way to a stronger core with mountain climbers. This exercise is not just about building strength, it's about pushing your limits and challenging your endurance. This dynamic exercise is like a moving plank that not only strengthens your abs, obliques, and shoulders, but also gets your heart rate up. It's a full-body workout that engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making it incredibly efficient. To perform mountain climbers, start in a high plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. This initial position is crucial for maintaining proper form and preventing injury. Engage your core and keep your back flat. This will help you maintain stability and ensure that you're working the right muscles. Now drive one knee up towards your chest as if you're climbing a mountain. This movement should be quick but controlled, focusing on engaging your core with each knee drive. Quickly alternate between legs, keeping your core engaged and your movements controlled. The faster you go, the more intense the workout, but always prioritize form over speed. Mountain climbers are a versatile and effective exercise that will help you build a rock-solid core, improve your cardiovascular fitness, and burn calories. They can be modified to suit any fitness level, making them accessible to beginners and challenging for advanced athletes. So, get climbing and conquer this challenging yet rewarding exercise. Remember, consistency is key. the more you practice, the stronger and more resilient your core will become. Embrace the burn and enjoy the journey to a fitter, healthier you. Let's shift our focus to sculpting those arms with tricep dips. This exercise is not only simple but also incredibly effective in targeting the triceps, the muscles located at the back of your upper arms. By incorporating tricep dips into your routine, you can achieve toned and defined arms. The triceps are crucial for arm strength and aesthetics, and this exercise helps in isolating and working them out efficiently. To perform tricep dips, start by sitting on the edge of a chair or bench. Place your hands on the edge, ensuring your fingers are pointing forward. This grip is essential for maintaining proper form and maximizing the effectiveness of the exercise. Next, walk your feet out in front of you until your hips are just off the edge of the chair. This position sets the stage for the movement and ensures that your body is aligned correctly. Slowly lower your body by bending your elbows until they reach a 90-degree angle. This controlled descent is key to engaging the triceps fully and avoiding unnecessary strain on your shoulders. Push through your palms to straighten your arms and return to the starting position. This upward movement should be smooth and controlled, focusing on the contraction of the triceps. Tricep dips are a fantastic way to tone and strengthen your triceps, giving you those sculpted arms you've always wanted. Consistency is key, so make sure to incorporate this exercise into your regular workout routine. So find a sturdy surface, whether it's a chair, bench, or even a step, and get dipping. Remember, the more you practice, the better your form and results will be. Happy dipping. Get ready to pedal your way to a six-pack with bicycle crunches. This classic ab exercise targets your rectus abdominis, the six-pack muscles and obliques, giving you a well-defined and strong midsection. To perform bicycle crunches, lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head, supporting your neck without pulling. Engage your core and lift your shoulders off the ground. Now bring your right elbow towards your left knee while simultaneously extending your right leg straight out. Continue alternating sides in a fluid, pedaling motion. Bicycle crunches are a highly effective exercise for targeting your entire core, helping you achieve a strong and defined midsection. Get ready to run your way to fitness with high knees. This simple yet effective cardio exercise gets your heart rate up, burns calories, and engages your core, hip flexors, and leg muscles. To perform high knees, stand with your feet hip-width apart and your arms bent at a 90-degree angle. Begin by bringing one knee up towards your chest, as if you're running in place. Quickly alternate between legs, keeping your core engaged and your back straight. You can vary the speed and intensity of high knees to suit your fitness level. High knees are a versatile and effective exercise that can be easily incorporated into any workout routine. So, lace up your shoes and get ready to run your way to a healthier you. Let's wrap things up by building a strong and powerful behind with glute bridges. This exercise is not only effective but also versatile, making it a staple in many fitness routines. This exercise targets your glutes, hamstrings, and core, helping you achieve a lifted and toned backside. By incorporating glute bridges into your workout, you can enhance muscle activation and improve overall lower body strength. To perform a glute bridge, lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart. Make sure your arms are resting by your sides, palms facing down for stability. Engage your core and glutes, then press through your heels to lift your hips off the floor until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. It's important to keep your core tight and avoid arching your back. Squeeze your glutes at the top of the movement, then slowly lower your hips back down to the starting position. Remember to maintain control throughout the exercise to maximize effectiveness and prevent injury. Glute bridges are a fantastic exercise for strengthening your glutes, hamstrings, and core, improving your posture and enhancing your athletic performance. They can also help alleviate lower back pain by promoting better hip mobility and stability. So get ready to build a strong and powerful behind with this effective exercise. Incorporate glute bridges into your regular workout routine and you'll start to see and feel the benefits in no time. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete, glute bridges can be modified to suit your fitness level, making them an excellent addition to any training program. Congratulations! You've just learned 10 incredible exercises that require no equipment but can transform your body in just 30 days. Incorporate them into your routine and you'll see amazing results in just 30 days. Challenge yourself to try these exercises daily, and don't forget to share your progress in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, Hit the like button and subscribe for more fitness tips. Now get out there, get moving, and unleash your inner athlete.